Today I came to my local motorcycle repair electricals to get some parts for my for my electrical fixing or something. And as you can see, things are going on over there. He's getting me some sockets for the electricals. Meet Gabriel. Gabe. William, he's getting me some sockets. I think these sockets are for the headlights and this for the tail lights. If you have just done some part of the lighting system, the headlights and the tail lights, and I'm currently doing a bit of the engine side wiring, the sensor, CDIs, and the alternator side of the electricals. So this is the harness that I'm making so far. This is the harness I'm making so far. This is the parts that goes to the pickup coils, and then this one here goes to the CDI, and then that comes all the way and then joins the lighting harness. This goes to the fan for the radiator, and then this part goes to one of the headlights, whether right side or left side, I'm not sure from here unless I lay everything down properly. And then this part also is supposed to go to the ignition coils. So they join the harness is joined over here and then continue. So this is the left side. This is the left side of the lighting system. So the harness continues, and I'm yet to add the I'm just about to add the part of the wiring that goes to the generation coil, the alternating coil of the motor, i.e. the alternator. I'm using this thick cable I'm just going to use this thick cable to pick up the power from the alternator. There's quite some thick cable there. So that's what I'm using. I got this from somewhere online. It's some kind of wiring diagram for a Kawasaki ZE or something. Yeah. It's also a 4-cylinder engine, just like the Ninja. The CDI is a 9-pin CDI, just like that one. Everything is almost the same, so it's only just a few things that change. But that's what I'm using now for my electrical wiring. So that's the parts that I'm currently working on right now. I just finished this part. So now I'm just about to come to this part here. I'm just about to work on this part here. The part that comes from, with this, the main difference between this and that one is there's supposed to be a neutral switch somewhere around here. I don't know how this thing is laid out though, but there's supposed to be a neutral switch around here somewhere, and I can't find that though. But I'm going to integrate it and then add mine to it, so everything will be functioning just as supposed to. Okay then.